Yes. I'm Vijayashree from Chikmagalur, Karnataka. So currently I have 4.2 years experience in sales as a Salesforce developer, but currently I have resigned for the past month since my project got ended and I need to switch means I need to learn LWC as well. So I thought to continue my career as a DevOps engineer. So I'm looking for a good quality training in DevOps. So I'm looking for a training. So yeah, that's it.
Okay. Yeah, Kiran, we can go ahead.
Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Yeah. Hi, Vijayashree.
Yeah.
My name is Kiran. I have 5+ years of experience in Salesforce DevOps. Uh,
Okay.
I had done, Copado mentorship and Copado champion. I had like around eight certifications in Copado, and earlier I had Salesforce experience as well as a developer. So I had
Okay.
done my, PD1, PD2 certifications as well. Yeah. So currently, yeah, I'm working in a company. So we are dealing with projects and all. So I had done on the Copado. I had done around like 4 to 5 projects. So I had done 3-4 implementation projects as well.
Okay.
So given some training sections like this, yeah, I can give you like a entire like from scratch to so how the real experience, and if let's say if we get any errors or kind of issues, I can guide you, and I can, so after this section you can able to uh, I mean you can able to perform like an experienced DevOps person. Yeah. So Ganesh, do you want me go through that content which you shared with me?
Anything is fine. Like, you can go through the document, that's fine. Or else, if you have anything from your end also, that's fine. Anything is fine.
I will give you a brief thing. So by this content document, so I'm just sharing my screen so that. So these are the topics that we are going to be, you know, discuss. So simply, have you worked on Copado like as you
Yes, I've
developer?
worked. I've already worked.
Okay, so you know, right, how it is easy while doing the commits and deployments.
Yes, but sometimes we'll get a conflict thread. But
Yeah,
I've not worked on GitLab configuration, so I'm not preparing for the interview. So I'm thought to
yeah, no
directly.
problem. That will be fine. Like you will know right how to do the commits and deployment. So
Yes.
it's the easiest way. And also like we will see the setup, like entire release process based on, you know, and so from our DevOps perspective, so we have to be analyzed like based on our organization size as well. Let's say if we have 40 developers, how the pipeline should be, 100 developers, how the pipeline should be. So that kind of language, knowledge also we need to be have. So not only like work. So sometimes what we need to do, we have to be suggest, so what kind of release process is suitable for this project. So let's say if you join in a project that is already in progress, that is fine. So you need not to spend on time and make analyze like how the release process. Yeah, but let's say if it is scratch that needs to be developed from ourselves, so then we have to be know all this kind of knowledge from the
Oh,
corporate perspective thing. So it will be like very easy. We need not to know any kind of this shell or bash script and safety XML. Those are not required here. It's a simple direct fully automated tool. And so it should be okay. So here we will cover topics like simple setup. So first we will go for setup. Like we have playground as well. So playgrounds that we need to be like Salesforce, we have playgrounds. So we
yes.
need to be in register. So do you have account in Copado?
Yes, I have. I have
Okay.
certified as fundamentals 1 and fundamentals 2.
Oh, sounds good.
Yeah.
Then you know, right, how we can work on playgrounds as well.
Yes,
Yeah.
initially I worked, and now UI also has been changed, right? some
Yeah,
changes have
that
been
is
happening.
source format. We have two formats
Yeah.
in Copado, metadata and source format. So like first we will see the metadata format. So source format so that we can analyze, like, so in Salesforce we have earlier classic and lightning, right? So
Yes.
same kind of thing. Like, so first if you want to understand the source format, you have to know the metadata. So let's start with metadata, like how the setups and everything. So source format, it's kind of little bit different, but the entire function and everything will be same. Okay, so that is the thing. And y- yeah, so that is a brief introduction about this, and we will see all these configuration and everything what that has been shared in the document. So we are going to be cover all the things. uh, yeah, Ganesh, do I need to did I forget anything, or we need to be discuss any specific thing here?
Uh, Nothing from my end. So Vidyash, do you have any questions?
Yes, I do have.
Yeah, please.
And we need to configure by ourselves GitLab or GitHub, or like who is the person who will configure? As a release manager will only configure,
Yeah,
or
we need to be
okay.
actually we need, just they will provide us a repository. That configuration we need to be do. It's some kind of integration, but it will be very easy. So
Oh,
based on that we have to be do. So are you, I mean, in your project, is GitLab is using, or GitHub using?
GitLab was using, and now they
Okay.
switched from Copado to SFDX hard disk.
Copado too?
SFDX hard disk.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay, no issues. Yeah, so from when we are going to be start this? Like, what are the availability timings for you? Uh,
I'm available weekdays itself, so morning or evening anytime is fine.
okay. Uh,
And will you guide me for the interviews as well? Because I'm not
yeah,
sure,
yeah.
like,
I
how is
can
it
give you the
possible?
template as well, and also I can guide you the interviews, like how the questions will be, how we need to be answered.
Okay.
Okay, no issues on it.
So also we have Amin. Amin, can you brief about yourself for me?
Hi, Ganesh. Hi, Kiran.
Yeah, hi.
So, yes. So I just joined the demo session, okay, like 5 minutes back. So just listening to in silent mode. So I'm currently working in Cognizant, okay. So I do have like around 3+ years of experience as Salesforce DevOps, okay. And I was previously using ant migration tool, and now we have also started to using Copado. But I do know how to do deployments using Copado, but I want to know like how do we integrate from scratch, in the sense how do you set
Yeah,
up the Copado, right? Like
yeah,
download manage the packages from Copado.org, and how do we set up giving integrations with version control, and how to set up quality gates and Apex unit test quality
yeah,
such. And I also wanted to know like how to integrate with Azure DevOps, in the sense like Jira or Azure boards. So
yeah,
the thing I want to know learn from scratch. Okay, to be frank. So my requirement is like I know little bit of how to use Copado, like how to do deployment using Copado, but I want to know like how to set up Copado from scratch, in the sense.
yeah,
If there will be projects, right? There can be projects where they already have a setup. There will be requirements where we need to set up from the scratch. So such things I just want to learn.
yeah. So like we will start from license, like which licenses we have and what those licenses will do. So what kind of license should a release manager should have, and as a developer, which license should have, and what kind of permission sets does we need to be. So everything will be covered, okay, from scratch to like what are the prerequisites to until the pipeline setups and quality gates, static code analysis, and everything will be covered in this sections. I mean,
Okay, okay. Sir, I have one doubt. Like, are we going to be like showing the classes in the playgrounds, or is it something like we will have a one sandbox and we'll install Copado manage the packages? Like,
no, no. We don't have like I am also working in projects, so it is like very difficult to share those kind of information. So we can go with like playgrounds only. I mean,
Mhm. No, no.
but
The reason why I asked because, like, I'm not to be frank, but during the setup of managed packages, right? Like, we will have some production orgs where we will install the Copado deployer package or Copado
correct,
connect and
correct,
other few things,
correct,
right? So
correct.
it will be done from our side only, right? Like from our
Yeah, from
the,
our side only, from our side only. But there will be no steps on it. Just once we install it, so we need to be like we have customer success team, right? So they will enable the licenses. So once they have enabled the licenses, everything will be available in playgrounds after that. Just only one step, the package as in package should be installed. Anyway, we know, right? Every user needs to be this package should be accessed. So we will put it as all users for the installation. So once installation has been completed, so so we have to be installed. There you can see register. So that from not from our side, from our sales team will take care like license and everything. So once the Salesforce, sorry, once license we get, so we can do after that. Like, so everything will be available in the playgrounds. I mean, so we need not to go for that. Even if you install that, so we have to be connected with Copado team to enable the licenses. Installation is nothing but all the packages like in another packages. What we will do simply the same thing we used to do here.
so what you're saying is, sir, like we just need to install the package. So once done, we need to connect with the Copado team only, so that they
Correct.
will provide for the licenses, like how many admin license we
Licenses until
and
unless the licenses has not been enabled, so we will not able to do anything there.
okay, even after installation, we won't be able to go to the from
Correct.
app manager.
Correct. Every app, right? Even if you go for Precision Lender, whatever the application that has been installed, there have some customer success team is there, right? So we will connect with them only, right, to enable the licenses.
Mm-hmm. So even
Most
from app manager, we
99.
won't be able to go to the app also, huh? Like Copado.
Yeah, no, we will get the package, but licenses will not be.
Okay, there won't be any deployment license also.
Correct. The package will be available in the market. I mean, this app exchange, but the
Mm-hmm.
licenses should be. We need to be connected with Copado team.
Okay.
Not only Copado, most of the packages. So those we can install. But if you want to register that application in their systems to enable the licenses, we need to be connected with them at least
Okay. It will
for
be like
an.
contract between business and the Copado team. Like
Correct, correct.
regarding
So
payment.
every application they should have customer relationship team. So they will
Mm.
they will connect with us, and they will let's say if we get any renewal section, they will connect us in calls, and they will drop in emails. So they're going to be renewal happening. So is there any additional licenses are required? Those kind of information they will take care. They will take from us.
Okay.
So yeah, so that part. So installation can be do by us, but the licensing enable and the app registration will be done by Copilot team only.
Okay, sir. Just a small data, right? Just thank you for clearing. Okay. So in this cluster, you will be. I saw the contents of the course. Okay. So in
Yeah,
this training, you will be teaching how to we set up the pipelines and how do we set up the quality gates, right? In our pipelines, like a
correct,
static or a
correct,
quality tool, and
correct.
also if any integration between Jira or Azure boards, like that.
Yeah,
Okay. So will you be also be tell us regarding the refresh activities also, sir? Like
yeah.
in the
First we need to be. My name is Kiran. You can call it as Kiran. No issues.
okay.
Don't just yeah. Refresh we need to be, right.
Yes.
That is.
Will you be able to cover in this section
Yeah, I
regarding?
will tell you the best practices, how we need to be take care about the refresh, what kind of metadata that we need to be backup, and how it will be, from where we need to be do the refresh. So I will cover those kind of points here so that we can note down and make sure when we are doing mostly the architects and the developers will tell us like what kind of post and pre deployment steps post and pre sandbox steps that we need to be do. There is some kind of by default things that we need to be take care, simply taking a backup, okay, or which environment, let's say if some team has been joined newly, so they need a sandbox, okay, but that should be latest from the dev environment, which the development activity is going on regularly. So in that case we will create a sandbox from the developer sandbox. Okay, someone has needed the production metadata, okay, then we will go for create the sandbox from the production. So those kind of uh, those kind of uh, steps and information I can give you, and I will also tell you what kind of backup we have to be maintained, how we need to be, okay, that we can cover on it.
Okay, okay. The only thing I want to check, like, would you be able to cover regarding the refresh in the sense, like, definitely will be informing us what are the best things we need to do, and also we will have one scenario, right? Like, whenever there is a refresh, we need to take some backup of users, active users, and once the refresh is completed, we need to back deploy them, import them, right? Like in the sense that will be users who are available in production, but there will be users who are available only in that specific sandbox, like UAT sandbox, but not in production. So
Yeah,
those details will be deleted, right? So uh, because some people are using data loaders to import the data, some people are using the Excel VLOOKUP, something like that.
yeah,
So
those only we need to be those only we need to be do, I mean, like it is our comfortable. Some people will use kind of a script to run to remove invalid from the users.
Yes.
Some people will directly we have an option also, like when we are refreshing, it is asking a group, right, public group. So based on that also they will get automatically access. Did you see that?
yes, I have seen that, like a sandbox access you're saying, right? That the public group we need to hear.
Yeah, public group, now they enable this thing. So if you select that public group, so the group members will automatically access with their username and passwords.
Mm-hmm. But that will be users, right, which are available only in UAT, not in prod. So those users we need to upload and give the permission sets assignment also, right? So I want to know,
Correct.
like, if you are following any practice in your projects or in your organization. So if you could teach us, like, that would be.
Yeah, that would be a manual thing only. So we have to be like take the users data and also the permission sets, and so we can prepare Excel sheet of things, and we can do the data imports. So those only there is no automation for that, I mean, so we have to be do some manual work there.
Correct, correct.
Yeah.
Correct. Yes, sir. That's it from me. Just add some notes.
Hi Ganesh. This call is just for discussing about how we are going to be, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. This is we are going to be dealing. Um, so yeah, from when we are going to be start, Ganesh?
Yeah. So Vedashi, from when you want to start?
I will confirm, Ganesh, because I'm looking for other training as well. I'll confirm by tomorrow or by next week.
Okay, if you can call me so that we can plan accordingly.
Okay.
Okay.
And anything from your end, Amin?
Nothing, Ganesh. I will update you by today, tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, sure.
And Kiran, for how many months it would take to complete the full
It
course?
will be only 1 month with this.
Okay.
If we connected daily, so it will be take only 1 month,
Okay.
not more
Because
than
I
that.
need to prepare for interview as well because if I
Yeah,
delay.
correct. It won't take much take. There is few topics that we need to be covered. So once it is covered, so we have some specific metadata. For the deployment, we need to be understand how the metadata will work. So once we completed those metadata deployments, so we can simply go for interviews. Like I can tell you what kind of questions they can ask you and how we need to be answer.
Okay, may I please know if I can ask in which company are you working? I think
Currently, I am from Blue Fi Green.
Okay. From Andhra or Hyderabad or?
No, Hyderabad only. It is from Hyderabad. Earlier, I worked for Infosys as a subcon. Before that, Cloud Fulcrum.
Okay.
So.
And my main concern is I'm looking for a remote opportunity. So I'm not sure if I'm able to search or not. So do we have any idea on that?
Yeah, we will get from until my past company I have done as remote only. Presently, I'm going to office.
Okay.
It's hybrid thing. So I'm just so that is.
Okay.
So most of the companies they are at least they are asking us to come 2 days at least in a week nowadays.
Yeah, most of the companies are hybrid, but I'm currently looking for a remote.
Yeah, so those companies are like outsourcing. Most you can see some US based companies is there, right? So they are looking for actually remote.
Okay. Yeah, I have no questions currently.
Okay, then you can let me know by tomorrow. Then
yeah, yes, Manish.
Okay, then. Thank you, Kiran. You don't have questions?
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Yeah, no problem. Bye.